Okay, guys, welcome to the halftime show. One day later. Okay, sorry, I was quite busy yesterday, so I wasn't able to um, do the halftime show. So we'll do the halftime show today, and that's daming movers ngayong araw, no? So we've seen a lot of charts emerge for the past week. So we'll go one by one. So for those of you first time nang manood nito, so this is just an update of the market, Philippine market only. We do it all by technical analysis only. So if you want to be updated midweek, we have the movers with top losers and winners for the week. So we will go over them one by one. So let's start. Okay. So here we will start with, I always start by looking at the PSEI index. So here we are at the sideways consolidation here. Okay, so if you want to draw a line, ray will be right here. Okay, one ray here. So if yan yung ray natin, it has already broken out of that triangle. Okay, so this is a good sign. And now the index is above the 10, 20, and 50-day MA, the three MAs that I consider most useful. Okay. Okay, so we've seen a lot of movers. Okay, so let's go over them one by one. Okay, of course, ACEN will be there. Yeah, no. So last week nag-break out to lakas on Friday. So we've no Monday to. So yeah, if you didn't try this breakout, a breakout of that consolidation here, nag-pause siya ng one day, and then it gave us an entry here or kanina morning. So that is one of the movers. Ayala Energy at the 52-week high, or I may say all-time high na to. Okay, so this is one of the stocks na sa all-time high, currently at all-time high. I think ito lang, no, nasa all-time high right now. So this should be a must watch. So one of the movers that moved today also is APVI. If you zoom in, this was a property dividend. But one thing I noticed here is it pierced the 10 and 20-day MA here. And then now it's trying to break out of the 50-day MA. So this is a crucial level at 1150. We might want to take a look at this stock, but because it's gaining momentum, and also volume is spiking here at the bottom. And then you can see momentum spiking going up towards 20 from just 10. So we can see a little bit of volume picking up there. So it might be a sign of the bottom. So we want to do that. is the top gainer of the day. This was really bound to go up. So I'm gonna put a line here at the resistance. So daming beses niya tinatry. So ito last September 24, it tried to break 3.3 but failed. And then last Monday, Tuesday rather, it tried to break 330 and failed again, back to 310. But you can see it never broke the 50-day ME. So for this long consolidation, this whole thing now it broke out. So this is just the start of the move. Okay, so if I would calculate the move, it would be 20, the range is 22.8 to 3.2, and from 3.3 that will be 40 cents. So that will be 3.70. Okay, the first initial target. So yeah. We've seen a lot of movers. Also, MRC since last week pa, nag-ceiling, almost ceiling, then went back. But as you can see, it's trending and it's now going at the current 52-week high. So we have to wait for this to settle down. We have to wait for a pattern. As I always tell my students that we always wait for the proper entry. So this is one of the things that we should watch. TBGI also here, but it's a little bit volatile kasi mga penny stocks po to. IDC is also moving, but very volatile also. As you can see, this should consolidate first because of the big ranges. Okay, now for the most interesting part, now and dito, ito yung pinakagusto ng lahat ng tao. So now corporation, we've seen it's trending up. It is a very strong stock because hindi bumaba ng 10 and 20 day 10 day MA. Okay, so we can see a lot of entry points here, here. If you know my style, if you've been my student. Okay, so now is here, and I think should consolidate first around this area. Okay, before moving higher. Okay, so that's what I think. I will not buy it now. I will not buy now. Okay, so D2 Telecom should consolidate also, but it can also break out above. It has a bigger range, so I can say there's a bigger chance for it to have a swing trading opportunity. So it can go to 7 easy, but it currently it established its support at 5.5, but the short-term support would be at around 5.8. Okay, so that's for the Dito fans there. Congratulations sa lahat ng kumita. It's been a gandang ano to, gandang run yun. So Ayala Logistics run up, so up almost 50%. So now it's consolidating. You can see the MACD going down, consolidating here. A momentum going down a little bit. So we want this. We want to look for this. So top winners and losers. IS, moving, basura. Okay, so mga third liners na, we can see third liners moving. Ni hao, so this is mining. Okay, ganda ng chart pala dito. Hindi ko nakita to. So we can just ATM moving every day, going up every single day, but there's no setup, so it's hard to buy, up 30%. TUGS, ito yung gusto kong setup. So this is the flag, pull back, a big pole, and then you see this quiet day down, buy kanina. So we can buy this and then put your stop at 1.22. Okay, so this is sounding like my premium charting session already. So guys, if you want to join the premium charting session, just please email me at boominguniversity@gmail.com to have this kind of some charting session every Sunday night for our top picks. Okay, MRC top loser because of it. Oo nga, malaki na yung inakyat niya. Okay, so PHR, Phil Resorts, mag-IPO to ulit. So the range is around 2 to 250. So this is just here. Eagle top loser for today. I don't know why. Low volume. CHP, we've seen it move, but move up and move down. MPI, top loser yesterday. So mataas na rin to, inakit nito, no? So it's up 14%. So a little bit of profit taking here before it's now moving back up. Immediate resistance will be at 409. So we'll see what will happen with that. Semirara Corp also trending up, reversing. So this is one, ito malakas din to, no? So this is one to look at. SPC also joining the party. It's a medyo liquid stock. It's a power company. Look at this very, very strong uptrend. Wow. From 8 hanggang 30% up. So I wanted to buy it here, somewhere here 2 days ago. But dito, I failed to pull the trigger. This is my signature setup, but due to the liquidity of the stock, I decided not to go in. Okay? So, ABS pala, no? Okay? We've seen this being very, very volatile. Laki ng inakit niya, guys, of course. It's up 100%, 134% from the low. What do you expect? Expect some profit taking, okay? Profit taking, so meaning now it's profit taking going back to the 10-day MA. So this is a little bit of a good sign to buy. So if you want to buy it here, somewhere here at 12, you can buy it and put your stop at 11.8. That would be a safer option rather than buy somewhere here without any clear entry point. So this is one to watch also. So I like this also. We've seen FA move also. Yeah, no, so umakyat. So we saw the pause here. Now it's doing another round. So sa mga mahilig mag-trade dyan ng mga third liners, this is ito yung mga isa sa mga pwede rin pagkakitaan natin dyan. Okay? So yes, so I guess that's it for the halftime show, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you guys, or at least na update kayo sa current events of the stock market. So syempre mga favorite ng mga traders will be Mary Mart, Dito Now, MRC, PBGI, of course. Hindi nawawala yung mga yan. So now I think it's a good environment to trade the Philippines. It's now because of the liquidity that went in, because of the money flow that came from now and Dito. Dito went up from 4 to 6, now went up from 3 to 6, almost 6. So a lot of money, maraming kumita. So they're rotating their funds to other stocks. So that's why we see a lot of other stocks moving. So I think this week or past week until this week medyo active in Philippines. Then that's a very good sign of volume picking up sa mga trader wise. Okay, so I think that's it. So good luck for tomorrow, last day of the week tomorrow. I'll see you guys next Wednesday, and premium members, I'll see you guys on Sunday. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you all. Ingat kayo. Stay at home or wear a mask. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Bye bye.